Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone is online and you have both Google addresses and passwords ready. Open Settings and go straight to Accounts. Once there, tap Add Account and choose Google. You'll be prompted to authenticate with the second account. Enter the email, password, and complete any two-step verification. Once done, accept the standard Google permissions. This registers the second account on the device so apps can access it immediately. Next, you configure how each app uses the new account. Open Gmail or Play Store and switch accounts from the profile menu. This sets which account is active for that app. Then visit Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, and toggle Sync for contacts, calendar, Drive, and others to control data flow. Also open each app settings to set notification tones, default send from account, and app-specific permissions. By doing this, you avoid mixed data and ensure the right account handles purchases and backups. To finish, test both accounts. Send an email from each and install a free app to confirm Play Store association. If something fails, make sure sync is enabled, then re-authenticate the account in Settings. If that doesn't work, clear the Google Play services and affected app cache and reboot the phone. If problems persist, remove the account and add it again. One key troubleshooting tip: re-enter credentials and check two-step verification settings. Most issues come from authentication or disabled sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.